go ahead and line up your zipper with the seam, and we're going to pin that in place. Just like that, through the zipper and through the other side. I like to, you just lift it up, see where it is, try to get it straight. As close as possible. Just like that. I have my zipper pinned in place on top of the seam allowance, and I've changed my presser foot to the zipper foot. All of your sewing machines come with a zipper foot, so go ahead and install that now and adjust your stitch width as necessary to the left or to the right to make sure your needle doesn't hit that presser foot. We're going to put our project underneath and get as close as possible to the center of the zipper. You'll notice I started a little bit down. I'm going to back up into the zipper tab. Zipper tab is a little wider. There we go. And then come back forward. And the zipper tab tends to get in the way a little. There we go. So just turn it, be a little patient with it. This we definitely do not want to rush. So remove your pins as you go. Go slow. You can either follow a line on the zipper fabric. I let my presser foot rest up against the zipper and use that as a guide. Now, as I'm getting closer to the zipper pull, I'm going to keep my needle down, lift my presser foot, open the zipper and get it out of the way. Get the zipper pull out of the way. Drop your presser foot again and keep stitching until you get to the bottom of the project. There's another piece of metal right there. Keep an eye that you don't hit that with your needle. I've come down approximately ½ inch past the pull. I'm going to stop there, lift my presser foot, pivot, close a little bit of my zipper back up, line up the bottom of the zipper tape, and stitch across. I'm also going to back stitch a couple of times. And come back across once or twice. And then I'm going to lift my presser foot and pivot again. And I'm going to pivot back because I noticed, you might notice, that piece of metal from the zipper tab is in the way of the needle. I don't want to hit that. So I'm going to do one more stitch across and see if that lines up a little bit better. I think it does. And you can adjust your, there you go. You notice that the zipper pull is in the way. This takes just a little manipulating. I'm going to open it a little bit more. Go a little bit, open up, and then tuck that back down in there. Get it past the presser foot. That's pretty good, that'll work. Straighten everything back out again. And go up the other side. As we come to the top zipper pull, just be careful that it is not going to hit the needle's not lined up with it and hit that. The zipper is now sewn to the seam. We flip it over to the right side and we're going to remove those basting stitches that we put in earlier. So just fold back the zipper in your hand and using your frenemy, which is your friend now because we need to do this, we remove the stitches all the way down the zipper. We can do this the other way as well. Try it this direction. Just a little fun fact. I've seen videos and been told that the little ball piece on your seam ripper should go facing down and it will zip right through the seams, pulling them apart without catching your fabric. I'd be careful though. And then when you get to the bottom, at that point you can pull your zipper open and reach in there and just get the last few. Remove your leftover pieces of thread. They'll be around for a little while. Thread hangs around. And then you have a removable open zipper.